Hello everyone. So today we are solving another UCEED question. So this question, let's start with first reading the question. The question says, which segment fills the gap to complete puzzle? Okay, and this is the segment that is this is the puzzle that is given, and these are the different segments which can be applied up over here. So now what we need to do, we need to start finding patterns in this question. Okay, so what patterns are there in this question? Let's see. Take a pencil. First of all, divide this into different lines as it is given in the question and the options itself. So first of all, this will be a straight line. Okay, since it is given in the options also. Okay, there's a straight line in between, and similarly there's a line over here, one over here, and one a straight line, right? Then there are two different lines at the edges also. Yeah, so now this is what the option looks like. Okay, so now we need to start finding patterns over here. So if you see over here, this is a straight line over here, this goes a straight line over here, and similarly they were even trying to form a straight line over here. Okay, so if we start forming a straight line over here, in order to reflect this, if this is a mirror reflection, there should be 3 blocks, okay, forming a triangle. So one block should be over here, something like this, one over here, and this was already given in the question. So basically now they are forming a triangle as over here. Similarly, one more pattern that we can find it over here is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 blocks were in an inclined position. Over here there should be a 5 block in the inclined position. So 1 2 3 4 and one more over here, so it should be 5 over here, right? So now basically what we can see is, if I just darken the circles, yeah, so this is what they were trying to form. Similarly in this one, 1 2 3 over here, and in the bottom part there were 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now 2 blocks are missing over here, 2 blocks are in deficit, so let's fill them also. So one over here and one over here. Okay, yeah, so now I guess now the question might form sense. So let's match if any option matches over here with what is given over here. Yeah, one more thing, over here if you see 1 2 3 4, and similarly over here 1 2 3 were there, so I guess one more should be here, because one gap is over here, then one block is colored, one gap is over here. So yeah, this should form another pattern. So one block should be covered over here also. Now let's start to find if some option is being matched. So first one is definitely not matching, second one is not matching, third and fourth both are not matching, right? Then fifth one, if we see 2 blocks at the edges, 3 blocks in line, and one on the top of that. So yeah, fifth option is making sense. Now fifth option is the answer over here, we know that. So answer is option 5. But now over here if we divide this, and start to find if any pattern is there, any pattern is really there in this question, then we see dividing it into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Similarly 5 over here and 5 over here. So when you divide it in equal parts, 4 equal parts, okay, something like this and something like this, then you see in the first part it is forming a W, right? In the second part it is forming an X. Okay, in the third part it is forming a Y, and in the fourth part it is forming a Z. So now it is making sense. Yes, this puzzle was making some pattern. So it was W X Y Z letters, W X Y Z letters. We could have even find it out earlier, and marked option 5th. So yes, option 5th is the answer, but we choose to go with patterns, similar patterns, what they were being formed, where it was forming a triangle, where it was forming a rectangle, where the lines were small or long. So we were just joining those and matching everything. We got answer 5. So that's all for this question, guys. Thank you everyone. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions you might comment in the comment section.